Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know, my name is Jasmine Champagne Barton, aka Jasmine Barton. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video and give me a good thumbs up. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into what we have here pretty much is every time that we get paid and how it's broken down. For example, so I get paid on the 9th and the 1st, and then my EDD. Make sure you check out my other video on why I'm still able to get my EDD. And so what I do is you highlight your paydays, and then you write in all of your bills for the whole month. And then with the paychecks, you highlight the same day as your payday. So for example, my Discover credit card is due, so I'm paying it with my 9th paycheck and my 1st paycheck and my 4th paycheck. So 1st, 4th, and the 9th. All of these bills will be paid all the way up until the 14th. Then I get paid again on the 15th, the 18th, and the 23rd. So then I took a different highlighter and I will pay all those. Now what I do is after it's been paid, I go back and I put a star next to them, knowing that they have been paid. Now car rent and car wash actually is done from the June paycheck, but I put it on here because it's a new month, but I save for it so it rolls over into the next month, if that makes sense. So I'm saving for my rent and my car payment in June so I can pay it on the 1st in July. Are you still with me? So then moving on, we go to, so let's cover this side. This is why I love this book. So let's cover that side. So this is my paycheck bill tracker. And usually for me, what I'll do is I'll write all the bills just so that I can see them month. So at the top, I have my paycheck date, like we explained on the big calendar. And then I put what I budgeted for and what it actually is. Now it's still a pretty good amount, 2,923 but I only got paid 2,578. And the reason for that is because my kids' school is actually shut down. So that's why I have that big pay cut in what I would have made. So unexpected, that's why we have to plan for these things, right? So if we go down here, I didn't include the rent because like I said, rent is paid from the savings of June. So all I need to actually pay is my Discover, my AT&T. I also have to pay my phone bill, and then I need to pay my SDG&E. I have to pay the daycare. And then, so from this number up here, subtracted, I have a bill total of $395. So then what you do is you go to the next side and you subtract your $2,578.69. You subtract your $395.59, and then you bring it over whatever your leftover budget. So my leftover budget is $2,183.11. Now these are my envelopes. This is what I carry with me every single day. So let's go ahead and fill in those numbers. I'm gonna give myself $50. Okay, and then for groceries, now my son's EBT card actually just came in and I was giving myself about $150 for groceries. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself $50 because I can save that for future groceries when it becomes holidays or, just emergencies. I'm still giving myself that money. So then for household, I'm only putting $5 because I'm stocked up on everything pretty much. For eat out, I'm gonna put $25. And the only reason why I do put money for eat out is because my son loves burgers and fries. And I need to have that money for when he wants his burgers and fries. Because if you have a toddler, those meltdowns, be real in the car, the back of the seat kicking and all of that fun stuff. So now for miscellaneous, I'm only gonna give myself $5. Oh, that looks like a horrible 5. For gas, I always give myself $300 because I have a far commute. Now my best friend, hey girl Aranda, she told me if I don't use all this money for gas, I can transfer it over to car maintenance, which I'm actually gonna do. So you're gonna see once I pull my money out of my cash envelopes how much I have left over. So for family fun, I'm gonna do 5, and this is just for if we go to, I have zoo yearly tickets and I have SeaWorld yearly tickets. So if we go there and we wanna get something, I have money set aside. For beauty is gonna be 5, and this is for my natural body stuff and things like that. For Julius and Journey, we're gonna do 50. So that total comes out to be $545. So let's go ahead and put $545. So left over, if we take our 2,000, so let me turn it back for you guys so you can see those numbers. 183.11, 545. So that gives us a total $1,638.11. Okay, so when it comes to birthdays, so you have Julius and Journey's birthday, I just pretty much put it in a whole category as birthdays. I don't know if I'll separate it, but I have it as a separate envelope, if that makes sense. So, but for birthdays, I always do a total of 200 because me and my best friend for our 30th birthday, we're planning to go to Cancun. Woo woo. So I'm saving 200, trying each paycheck, if not each paycheck, each month. And then for the holidays, I also put 200. And then for car maintenance, which it says car, but it's pretty much car maintenance. So let me write that in there. I put 5. And then for Julius and Journey's utmost savings account, I already did $50. So I'm gonna add it on here just because I already moved the money over, but I'm not gonna pull it from this 1,638 because it's already been pulled out. For Amazon, I wasn't gonna put anything, but I think I'm gonna put 5 just because I do need a new stand to record videos. So, you know, it is what it is. And then for my emergency fund, I'm actually gonna put 25. I'm going all out of order here. So I'm not gonna put here, I'm not gonna put anything in that one. So the new one actually is travel. Now you're thinking, okay, well, if you're traveling for your birthday, why do you have another category? So the reason why I have travel is because my brother's actually graduating from college next May 2022. So I wanna make sure that I start putting money away now for that. Duh, that's why we're doing this whole system. So now we're gonna put $10 for travel. So the total is $450. So if we take our $1,638.11 and we minus it by $450, we come up with leftover $1,188.11. So this is our leftover money. So then we come over to our debt. So before we get over to this side of our debt, I want to break something else down for you guys. In my bank account right now, as of today, I have $703. In my cash right now, I have $1,752, which is roughly about $2,600. When you go over here, you literally are tracking every expense. Now this, the way I have it right here, I have for my Cash App, my Bank of America card, and then I have a bills only card for my Navy Federal. This right here is specifically only for transactions in my bank account. And as you can see, it was at 903, but before I did this video, I did move over money to my Roth IRA and to the kids' UTMA savings account. So it's at a total of $703. That's where we get that 703 left over in my account. Now, if we go over to the cash part, so this is specifically for when you're using your cash and you're pretty much having it on 2 separate forms so you can keep track of it, and pretty much this is how much I'm inputting. So I do red if I'm taking money out, I do blue if I'm depositing money, and then I put the total and I highlight it. And then when I'm adding a new total, so I don't get confused, I cross it out and I will put an arrow. I haven't put an arrow here yet, but that's usually what I do. So that's why when we go back to what we're working on, that's where you see these numbers at. My Discover is 106. And like I said before, this is the one that I'm going to pay off first. So I'm actually going to put a little bit more on that. And then these ones aren't due until the end of the month. So I'm not even going to worry about those until the next paycheck, if that makes any sense. So extra debt total. So we're just going to put 106. And then left over. So we're taking that number right here, which is $1,188.11, and we're going to minus 106, and that's going to give us a total $1,082.11. So now I'm doing the 52-week challenge, the dollar challenge, the coin challenge, and the 50 envelope system. So for this one, it's going to be week 7 and 8. So it's going to be $7 plus $8, which is going to equal $15. So then the $1 challenge doesn't really count because it's coming from my wallet. The coin challenge doesn't count because it's coming from my wallet. And since I'm here on camera, okay, so here are my 50 envelopes, and they all have like their own numbers on them. Oh, I got that. So I'm going to put this back in the thing. Okay, so I get paid every 2 weeks, which you'll see in my 4 money challenge savings that I video that I did. So what I'm gonna do is they're all mixed up. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna dig in. So one envelope I have to put $25, and then let's pull somewhere from over here. And another envelope I have to put $47. So 25 and 47. So 25 plus 47, which is $72. Oh, I put it in blue by accident. Oh, well. Okay, so that puts us at a total of $87. And what we have left over is we're going to take our 1,082.11, and we're going to minus $87, which gives us a total left over of $995.11. So pretty much what this book helps you do is to come to a $0 balance. Now, the reason why mine is not zero balance is because after I stuff all my envelopes and stuff, my leftover money is used extra. This is for rent. So I'm going to put all this money towards rent for August. We're done with that. Then I come over and then I will put in the denominations on how I want my money to be. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and did this side off camera for you guys, and this is pretty much just the cash denomination breakdown. This is what the total of everything is, and then you would put how much you would need when you go to the bank, which I've already gone to the bank. When you go, you have your denominations already ready. Okay, once again, thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. And again, thank you for joining me on my Black financial wealth journey. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace out.